So in this, we are going to discuss about web scraping. So how to scrap a website and then extract the content, right? So there are different ways to do it, but here we are using two libraries to scrap the website. So one is request. So request is a library which will make a API call. It's a kind of get call with the particular website and then extract the content. So we use beautiful soup in order to remove all those HTML chunk and extract only the proper text. Okay. So this is a functions to extract the scrap the content. So in the function we are getting URL website as a input. Okay. So you can see if in case if the website the URL which we are sending to this function is not starting with HTTPS or HTTP, we are adding HTTPS just to because this request library will not make a API call if you don't have this protocol, right? So some website may still have a HTTP, right? But if you add HTTPS, if they don't have a SSL service, it will automatically redirect to the their one version. And then we have a header and also we have a timeout. So timeout we have 180 seconds, right? So if we don't get any response before within 180 seconds, then we are stopping this call API call. So the header, the need for this header in this API call will project as a user call. So generally what we do when we type a website on the client, it will send all these informations as a headers, right? Like someone is using this particular user agent and then they are referred from google.com because we search through Google search engine, right? Right? So it's a kind of this header will tell the server, whatever the website we are scrapping, that I'm a legitimate user, I'm just trying to visit. If we don't add this headers, then this request library will send as a Python. So the system website will easily identify that we are a bot scroller, that which means we are a program scroll caller. So it will reject our request. Instead, it will say we don't allow you. So if you use these kinds of headers, then it will consider that okay, there's some users is trying to visit their website. Okay, but still there are a lot of tools or plugins which will protect the website from programmatic scrapping. Okay. In that case, if we get any other status code other than 200, 200 is a success status code which we want. Apart from that, if we get any other success code, for example, anything starts with 4, then we are returning none here. Okay. Based on this, we are processing in our data. Okay. So this means it is not allowing us to scrap that website content. Okay. If in case, if we successfully scrap the website from this, then we are getting dot content and then sending to the beautiful library. This beautiful soup library will remove all the HTML content and it gives only the text content. Okay. HTML tags will be removed, all those things will be removed, right? So here I'm can further processing. I'm removing all the CSS, inline CSS and style tag and class. I'm removing all the tags. Okay. So we may have a tags like list, unordered list, ordered list, kind of that, and then we have a string. But I'm pretty much concerned about only the text content, right? So if you want to add a few more tags like li, you can also add that. If you are interested in extracting all the URLs that is added in the case, then you can use href or EA tag. Okay. So whatever the tags that you are interested, you can each content is associated with a tag. Now I'm extracting all the text from these tags and then adding that content here in this variable, right? So I'm using all these tags, extracting all the text, right? And then doing all those encoding and decoding and adding the extracted text content into this particular variable. Okay. And here I may have some new lines or multiple lines, right? So replacing all those things. and finally saving that content in the file called content.txt. So we already added besides.tn. So we have this content.txt where we have all the information about the website. So these are the content that we extracted. So it's a kind of a software company. They do some sort of projects and technology. Okay, so what we are going to do is we can give any other website and then we can extract it. So whatever the website we give, based on that it will change the content. Okay, so if we go to our app, let's say we give always rerun. Okay, so whenever you refresh the site, it will clear all the sessions. So I can give an other website. Let's say this time I'll give some dental website. Okay. So earlier we give this some software company's website. This time if we give dental website, it will scrap the content of that. Okay, you can see it's some dental office we have downloaded. Okay, so whatever website you give, it will scrap the content provided if that particular website is allowing us to scrap it. Okay, so let's stick with this website because they are our minimum content, which we can see it here. We can ask whatever the questions we want. Okay, so next is we have our content here, and then we have our user interface here. So we are going to integrate with the chat GPT to get the response for the user query. Thank you.